What's going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we'll be looking at Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as Verge to Bitcoin. So shout out to Matt Grable for commenting his favorite altcoin. If you guys want to be shouted out in tomorrow's video, please make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and leave a comment telling me what coin we should review in tomorrow's video. Otherwise, hopefully, I'm sure you guys are aware of cryptocurrencies price and recent downtrend that we have been on. The market is still bloody red from the negative and the negativity we have faced recently. We have a current market cap at 283 billion, which is way lower than we have seen. I remember in the past few months, maybe in May, we've seen it up to $400 billion. So to see a price down to 283 might be concerning to some or disconcerting to others. One thing I want to point out is that Bitcoin is now at $6,000, I want to say $600, down 4%, 3.8%. Ethereum below 500, and Litecoin around $100 even. So let's jump into Litecoin's chart, and I want to still point out that we did and are currently at a very, I guess, psychological price point. $100 is a very crucial, critical point for Litecoin. If we break below then, we might fall quite a bit. It's kind of hard to say how far we will go because we are so extremely oversold already. But interesting enough, though, is we are still trading on a line that has held support for such a long time. You can see that I could even extend this out more. But for the most part, we have been trading on this support line for quite some time, and we have finally come back to retest it. Will we stay there? Will we break above? It's possible we could maybe even have a dead cat bounce and bounce up, but it's interesting that we are currently ending this triangle right here. We do have the 1, 2, 3 bottoms, and we did break lower, so it's interesting. We could, you can drop this down to here, back to where we started from. You can see where it broke out. A lot of people are negative to see cryptocurrency at $100, and I can see the confusion and the doubt and the emotions, but you can see we shot up like this at a current price level at 100, and it's just as easily for us to go back to those all-time highs as it is for us to be at the price right now. Like, there's really not many people thought right at $100 where it was before it would shoot up all the way to 400 something. It could be just the same right here. It's really totally dependent on the market and what's happening. This consolidation is normal. We've had numerous consolidation points in the past, and nothing has really changed that. So don't be alarmed to see a price coming back down. Do keep your eye out, though. It's going to be very disconcerting, and it'd be unfortunate if I have to make a video if we break below $100 and continue to trade below it. But if I zoom in on the 4-hour to the current price that it's holding a very, very, very major key support. You can see the 4-hour just trading along this line, the 4-hour high-low MMA. You can see the support right here. We did fall to another support level right here, as well as holding support at this line right here. So it's an interesting area that it's sitting in. Very interesting area. I'll show you guys the lines here for a second. You can see how it's in this crosshair right now. We have support from the this line, and we have this uptrend line right here that's also holding us support. So we're in a very tight-knit spot. It'd be nice to see a bounce off that. We were extremely oversold in this area, and we did come up. So it's definitely going to be interesting. I want you guys to be aware that we could see some lows, but just assume that this is a good buying opportunity. I don't think the market is going to be continuing to just drop and lose all of its value. I don't think that's possible. I think there will still be money in it. You can see how Bitcoin, even if we adjust the line ever so slightly or even leave it here, it's really not much of a difference. It's the same thing with Litecoin. We are in this downtrend right here. You can see the support level right here. We just need to hold above that. There is 1, 2, 3 touches, so we could see a break. But it's really when we see Bitcoin move up, will we see currency move up as well. So there could be a lot of people are insider trading, manipulation, Mt. Gox, whatever you want to assume. the market is going down and you do have to use TA, and we are still in this downtrend, and the market, I guess, will remain bearish until we can break this downtrend. So be mindful of that. Same thing with Ethereum. Ethereum now falling again to do a double bottom right here, so we'll see if we can bounce up off support. Interesting though, 1, 2, triple bottom, if not, you could say. So we'll see. Again, has to break this downtrend as well. And lastly, Verge, which I haven't reviewed in quite some time. I guess we can draw on a support level right here, clear as day. And then this is I guess there is a downtrend, 100%, that it has to break, and there was another one here. We can draw that there, or just move that ever so slightly. So you can see this downtrend right here. You can even fix it like that. That's possible, a more realistic area. 2 downtrends, it's possible that we could break out again. If the pattern continues itself, we could see another bounce up here at a lower area, and then an extension down, very possible. And in the long term, this could be a pendant flag on its own. Just putting out an idea that this itself can be just one huge triangle that's obviously consolidating right now and just following trend. But based on what it's doing, it's very possible to see that original breakout and then a push back down to that line of support. So it does have this nice triangle, descending triangle formation, and I am anticipating some type of push above very soon when we go this low over here. We are extremely oversold again, but it all lines up pretty well, especially with Bitcoin, Litecoin, all lining up in the same area, Verge lining up. Could repeat itself, and we could have another breakout like we saw. So be mindful. This is a quick video. Thank you for passing 3,000 subscribers. We're almost at 3,100. Please like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.